Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Today we're going to do a meal plan and grocery haul, so I hope you enjoy this video. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys what's in our fridge right now. I think it's always really important before you go grocery shopping to kind of have an idea of what you have at your house already before you go and buy double, or you've already have something here that you need to use up before it goes bad. So it's always really important, I think, to kind of check through your fridge, check your pantry, all of that, see what you already have, see if there's any items that you can use to make a new meal and you only need to get a couple of more things, or what you need to stock up on. So let's go ahead and hop into my fridge and then we'll start our meal planning for the week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so this is our fridge at the moment, and I know everybody's gonna look at this and be like, girl, you have no food in your house. And it's pretty bare, but I will say I still have options here, and I like to kind of make sure that we don't overbuy and we don't waste food. So it does look like there's not a lot, but we've got some oranges for snacks still. We've got some carrots, some onions. We've still got enough meat and cheese for sandwiches. We've got bread. We've got a thing of turkey. We've got some leftover dip, another little leftover curry, yogurt for breakfast, beef broth that I can use for a meal. So there's still, a couple of meals in here, but it is pretty bare, but we're not wasting our food. So it's kind of how I like to keep it. So let's get in with our meal planning.
So after I go through my calendar and I mark off the nights that we're either not going to be at home or we have a dinner planned somewhere else, so we're not overspending on food that we're not going to use before it goes bad. Then I like to go through Pinterest and look at my meal board, because I keep a solid list of meals that I've made and are crowd pleasers on my meal board, so I know what works is on that list. And I just kind of like to get some inspiration and see if there's any meals on there that I want to make. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and make my list, and then we'll go and do our cartwheel, and then we'll go shopping. Hop on really quickly and film this because it's very rare that we get to go to the grocery store together without a baby. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I feel like I can take my time a little bit. And we do have our list here. So we're making pot roast, salmon and asparagus, veggie pasta and meatballs, and taco salad. I also wanted to show you guys really quickly how we make our meal list for the grocery store. We put our meals on one side, and then after we do that, then we write down the items that we need, and we group them in order of where they are located at in the store. So everything kind of goes in its own little section, and that way when you're in that area of the store, you just have your short little list right there. Once you have everything on that list, then you can mark that part off and move on to the next one. It really works. It speeds up the process. I urge you to give it a try.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober.
And as I said earlier, when you go through a section, you can easily mark everything off on that list at one time because you have everything right there organized according to how it's laid out in the store. It makes grocery shopping so easy. Give it a try. I promise you'll like it.
Cold, but it's feeling warm. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. 'Cause I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back 'cause I am done.
Okay, so this is our shopping haul for the week. The total came to $111 and some cents. So I just like to go through and show you. We did have to get some new light bulbs for one of our light fixtures, and then got some more purified drinking water, some milk. This creamer is so good. This Starbucks caramel macchiato creamer, I absolutely love that. I needed some more lemon juice for my morning drink that I have. Then just some 90-second rice. This is gonna go with our salmon and asparagus dinner. And then a block of cheese for shredded, we'll shred that up for tacos. We needed some butter. This is our favorite butter that we use. Some potatoes. These are for microwave potatoes with seasoning. They're really, really good. And they are a little bit pricier than just buying regular unpackaged potatoes and making them your own, but this is only 5 minutes in the microwave, so it's kind of worth it in my mind. But this is for our pot roast. Sean loves having oatmeal for breakfast, so that's for him. I do have beef broth in the fridge, but I needed more for the pot roast, so I had to get another one of those. This is for our spaghetti and meatballs. And then this lettuce we're gonna use for our taco salad, as well as just have some salads too. And then I needed rosemary for the pot roast, bell pepper for tacos, and then these are just some cheese snacks for Sophia and Sean and I. And then we got 2 new salads that we're gonna try. We're gonna try the apple cheddar, and it just sounded really good. I don't really like the name of it, doesn't sound good, but the ingredients sounded yummy. Broccoli, savory cabbage, red cabbage, kale, green cabbage, sharp white cheddar cheese, crisp apple chips, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds. So it sounds yummy, but that name, I don't know. And then just an avocado ranch, the asparagus for salmon, and then this is a pasta that we use. It's actually veggies. It's not pasta at all, and it's actually really good. You cannot tell a difference at all. This is in the freezer section, and they have different styles of spaghetti, but this is the one that we really like. And then we got some apples for the week, and then not potato chips, but some corn tortilla chips for the rest of our dip, as well as taco salad. And then got some eggs, the chuck roast, meat for tacos, and then our meatballs. So this will feed our family for the entire week. Like I said, it was $111 and some change. And let's go ahead and put all of this away.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the
that's it for me and our grocery haul and our meal planning for the week. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below so you get notified when I put out more videos. Thanks for stopping by. My name's Sydney. This is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'm so happy to have you here on my channel, and I'll see you next time.